Do you know you can get paid by chatting with ChatGPT, generating images that you can see rightly displayed here on my screen, all for free? Now, I'm going to be introducing you guys to this platform that pays you because you are making use of the different AI models that they integrate in this platform. Now, this platform pays you simply because you are generating data and then you are generating images on their platform and then they pay you in return. Now, if you look at the images that you can see rightly displayed here on my screen, nobody will believe that these are actually AI generated images. And as a sit-at-home mom, a student, a young person looking for how to actually have a side hustle that makes you money that you attach to your 9 to 5 job, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end. I'm going to give you guys a lot of secrets. Bro, there's no need to talk much. Let me take you guys to my screen. Let's go. Make sure you subscribe, guys. So guys, this is how the platform looks like, and you can see the images I've been able to generate here. Now, my goodness, if I tell you that this is actually an AI generated images, you might not believe. I'm going to talk more on that, but let me just show you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can actually use this platform. So the first thing I'm going to do, please make sure you're looking at my cursor right here. I'm here. I just want to just log out so I can log in again and show you guys how you can actually do this for yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just sign out. So once I sign out, so that you guys can actually see how this thing works, how you're going to sign in. Now for you, if you want to sign in, this is how it's going to look like for you. Once you register, it's going to look like this. Now this is it. You see it, right? So what you're going to do is to tap on sign in, and then you sign in with your Google account or any email that you have. Now let's just wait for it to just load up in a bit. Now it loads up, and then I choose this email. Now I'm gonna be dropping a static image showing you guys how you are going to create your account. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, and just in case I forget, drop a comment in the video and say, coach, how do you say we should create our account when we are opening our own? I promise not to forget. Let's just go. So this is how the platform actually looks like. You can see it here, right? So let me just go to the sidebar and show you guys this option. Please make sure you're looking at the cursor. Look at this arrow that I'm showing you guys on the screen. So if you look on here, this is where you're going to chat, right? You look on here, you find the leaderboard, and then you look on here, you will see your own profile. Now let me just click on this right here. Now once I click on this profile, you're going to see that this platform is connected to my email. It's connected to a Discord account, and then you can see the country that I choose here. Do not do this. Hold on and wait for the static image. I know it's hard to tell you, bro. So now the first thing we need to do here is to come to chat. I'm going to show you guys how you're going to make money off this platform. Now, this is it. They say you can ask 900 plus AI anything. You can generate image here, and then you can actually ask this AI platform question, and then it gives you different answer based on different AI platform that is integrated with. So let me just go and look for a prompt. Remember I showed you guys images that I've been able to generate. So let me just come here and make do of this one. Now I just want to do image generation, and then we can go back to just normal text. So let me just do this one. I want to show you guys the wonders that this platform can do for you. Now, let me just digress a bit why this image is loading. You see what I did? I copied. Now, for you, you can just find any font of your choice, and then you come and paste it here. Now, I want to go with the described image first. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section quickly. I'll be able to do that. Now, you can see the different excellent image that this was able to generate. If I tell you that this is actually AI generated, you might actually be in serious doubt. You might think there's actually something that how will I say, something that it's a real event that happened. Now I'm going to show you guys how you're going to earn here. Now first off, let's just wait for this to load a bit. While it's loading, let me tell you guys something. Now, as someone that is a student, this is how you can actually maximize opportunity here. Instead of going to Canva and stress yourself to do like graphic design, this is just me digressing, right? I'm going to show you guys how you can make money off this platform and make withdrawals. I'm just waiting for this to load. Now look at my arrow here. You're going to see that there is a timer attached to this. You can see the timer reading, and it is waiting for the image to be generated from what? GPT image. You can see these are different AI models. You understand? And then I can also come here and tap on show more responses. Now, this is the alpha I want to give you. If you're a student here, or maybe you have a business, instead of you randomly looking for graphic designer that you will pay to start generating images for you for your business or whatever you're doing, you can just simply use ChatGPT, right? Before you come to this platform, go to ChatGPT. Right on ChatGPT, you will see where you can find make use of voice, and then talk to ChatGPT. Even though it's pidgin, talk to ChatGPT. Tell ChatGPT, okay, this is your structure of your business, and then you want to do a graphic design that contain this, and that. You understand? And then tell him to give you a prompt. Then once he gives you that prompt, you come to this platform, and then you can generate that image. For business owners, you can do this by yourself. And then for students, you can actually tell people that you're a graphic designer. Only you know that you're using AI. This platform helps you uniquely in such a way that nobody will actually believe that you did it by AI. It just depends on your prompts. Now you can see different images that I've been able to generate here, right? So now I can choose the one that I prefer based on the prompt that I gave it. So for me, I kind of like this. I choose on I prefer this. I prefer this. And then they ask me the next question: why was Grok image better? For me, it is well detailed, right? Why was GBT image I meaning not good? I feel it's kind of like incomplete. But for you, what do you think? I feel it's kind of like blurry. For you, what do you think, Sha? This is just me asking, making side talks. What do you think about this? Now, after I send feedback, I'm going to earn credits here. You can see this credit is, let me tell you guys something. This platform are running a points program. That is for those that are interested in doing airdrops. This credit that you're earning is going to be converted to their token. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about how you can actually get paid on this platform. I just gave you guys an alpha that you can actually use this platform as a graphic designer, and then as a business owner, you can make use of this as a business owner for yourself to generate image, flyers, banner, or whatever. Now, see, I want to ask this platform another question. Do you understand? I'm just prompting this platform to answer questions, and then it is giving me good answers, and then I'm picking my own response. So after inputting my question in this section, then please make sure you're looking at my arrow. I come here and click on this arrow here. I send it. Now, once I send it, it's gonna generate data of information from different sources, different AI platform, and then I choose the one that I prefer. Now let this just load so I show you guys how then you can now get paid from this. Please remember I said don't forget. So I asked it what is blockchain technology and how does crypto work. Okay, it is still making do of this. Let's go back. This is where I made mistake. You see, I'm still on this page. So what I'm supposed to do is to come here. I'm not really supposed to come here. I think I didn't copy that text. When I not tell me I don't copy text, see these people. So I come here and copy that text and go back. I come here. Now, if you want to have access to me, all you just need to do, the link to my community is in the description box of this video. You can find me on Telegram, you can find me on TikTok, you can find me on different platforms. If you want to have one-on-one access to me, the link is in the pinned comment and it's in the description box. Just join my Telegram channel and then let's connect. Now you can see I've asked, it has given me answers from different AI platforms, Seed One, blah blah blah, DeepSeek. It has DeepSeek, and then I can just choose whichever one that I prefer that works best for me. For me, I kind of like prefer this, but it is still loading. You can see the response is going to take some time. So look at it. The response is taking some time. You can see it right here. So once it's finished loading, then I can just choose the response. Now remember, you are going to pick the response that you prefer. Let's go. You see this here. Look at the cursor. Look at my arrow here. You pick the response that you prefer. Now, these things that you are doing is going to be earning you credit, and it is through this credit that you're going to make money off it. So let this thing load quickly for us. If you have any question at any point in time you are confused, let me know. Ask me any question. If you want me to be dropping different updates like this, please let me know. And if you want to know how to maximize this point program and participate for their airdrop distribution, make sure you also let me know how. I'm going to talk about that one briefly too, because this point. So now let me just choose this response. It is still loading. It's kind of like taking much time. Okay, that's loaded. It has loaded. You can see it right here, right? I prefer this response. I think this was informative. I think this was kind of like generic, and then send feedback. I did not actually read through it. Forgive me. So I just want to show you guys this point. So now you see I've ended this point, right? Now let me show you guys where the magic actually happened. I come right here. Let me bend this a bit. Now I'm using my PC. You can do this on mobile, right? I come right here and click on my profile, and then this is where the magic actually happened. You can see here they told me that I've earned about 5,118 job credits, right? And then it is through this cash out button that you're going to cash out. Now let me tell you guys, I have to whisper because I'm making this video at night. you can make $10, $20, $30 weekly just by doing this. This is just from you making use of this platform. I'm not talking about you using this for graphic design, using this. See, even I say, bro, see, the opportunities that you can make. See, let me tell you guys, the AI economy and industry is actually evolving. It is the new face of the market. I'm telling you guys the truth, to be honest. If you want to really make money crazily, then make sure you are well positioned making use of AI. Let's just focus. I'm not here to talk about that. You guys want to know how to earn free money. So now this is it. Wait, now I'm going to show you guys. If you want this cash out button to be open for you, make sure you read what I just dropped. Take your time and read this. You can pause the video and read. Okay, so now afterwards, while creating your account, make sure you follow that instruction that I gave you, right? So now you are going to ensure that you've reached 10,000 York credits. It is that 10,000 York credits that you're going to cash out. You understand? They have a daily cash out, they have a weekly cash out, they have a monthly. So if you want to cash it out, you can cash it out using any crypto coin. You can cash it out using BTC. You can cash it out using Solana, USDC. All you just need to do is to copy your address from any wallet, any wallet of your choice, either for centralized or decentralized. I'll prefer you make use of Trust Wallet. So if you're using Trust Wallet or Rabi Wallet, you know how to do that. If you don't know how to make use of wallets, still let me know. But all you need to do is to go and copy your wallet address that you want to receive the token in, and then you copy it there, and then you send it to yourself. You understand? For Bitcoin, you have to copy your Bitcoin wallet address. For Solana, copy your Solana wallet address, and then you click on receive, and then they will send you your money. That's just it. Is that simple? I have other updates that I wanted to give you guys, but this is okay for now. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe and share to as many people that you can. Big ups. Once you make money, don't forget to come and drop your testimony. Thank you, my people.